You are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Okay. Rebel child, just who I am. Cannot be not that. So, crack pants. This isn't actually the shirt I'm wearing. I'm wearing this shirt, but it's really low and I don't want to show you to my boobies. I'm not actually wearing my shirt right now. I guess I'm wearing a different shirt. You can probably see yourself. Can you see yourself? Oh! Double the reflection. Double. Me. This seems cool. I'm not. That ass. This is what I do before bed. Bye.